Have you ever had an unexplainable experience with the supernatural?
Here, all the time. Cameras go off for no reason. Yeah, we see like little orbs flying around.
Actually?
I had one really good video. I don't know what happened to it.
He said that the top of his feet is burning so bad that it's burning. He can't even put socks on his feet.
Okay.
So should he go to the emergency room?
I mean, urgent care.
Urgent care?
Yeah.
Jesus. Do you have a hunch about the way that you will die?
Do you have a question?
What did you buy?
So you know how I bought
Take
the
lessons.
you know how I bought the heirloom pumpkins? One of them rotted
I know.
all over the floor,
Yeah.
and a patient came and told everybody.
But no one fell, right?
No, nobody fell.
Okay.